tried a very low calorie nature cereal today with the most hydrating local and seasonal fruit watermelon and chiku, along with half teaspoons of basil and chia seeds, and along with half teaspoons of flax seed and dried mint and coriander leaves for that cooling effect in this summer season to your body, and added fresh coconut water to it. I think this is a must to go now in summer for your mid meal, not for your breakfast.